The current Constitution of France was adopted on 4 October 1958. It is typically called the Constitution of the Fifth Republic, and it replaced the Constitution of the Fourth Republic of 1946 with the exception of the preamble per a Constitutional Council decision in July 1971. The current constitution regards the separation of church and state, democracy, social welfare, and indivisibility as core principles of the French state. Charles de Gaulle was the main driving force in introducing the new constitution and inaugurating the Fifth Republic, while the text was drafted by Michel Debré. Since then, the constitution has been amended 24 times through 2008. The preamble of the constitution recalls the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen from 1789 and establishes France as a secular and democratic country, deriving its sovereignty from the people. The French constitution established a semi-presidential system of government with two competing readings. On one hand, the executive branch has both a president of the republic and a prime minister, which is commonly seen in parliamentary systems with a symbolic president and a prime minister who directs the government. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.